Are you looking to automate sending messages on Facebook without spending too much time? Today, I'll introduce a tool that allows you to send bulk messages on Facebook quickly and efficiently. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn how to use it. This is the Bot Auto Send Message software, which helps you send bulk messages on Facebook automatically. This tool is perfect for online businesses, advertisers, or anyone who wants to improve customer engagement. As you can see, in just a few minutes, we've sent multiple messages without any manual effort. Do you find this software useful? Try it now to optimize your business operations. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, share out box tray, and subscribe bell to the channel for more great tips.